Hey everyone, the HP Omen Max 16 is a powerful gaming laptop that doesn't try to disguise its gaming origins or its raw capability. With some of the most cutting-edge internal components currently on the market, such as NVIDIA's RTX 50 series GPUs and Intel's Core Ultra 200 series CPUs, this is HP's most powerful Omen laptop to date. Putting RLA games, creative tasks, and pretty much anything else you throw at it will be crushed by this machine. The design of the Omen Max 16 is streamlined but distinctly gamer-oriented. A front-facing RGB light bar that can be synchronized with the keyboard and per-key programmable RGB lights lend pizzazz to its all-black design. With its strong construction and all-metal construction, the chassis exudes toughness and lacks any visible flex. The hinges are sturdy and the lid feels firm, so it should withstand normal use and wear and tear or be carried in a gaming backpack. It is by no means a thin device, but its design serves two purposes: cooling and airflow. However, the tested model has an Intel Core Ultra 9275HX CPU, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and NVIDIA's RTX 5080 laptop GPU, with the possibility to upgrade to an RTX 5090. The Omen Max 16 can be tailored to your specifications. High-end gaming, editing, and multitasking are all possible with this configuration. Through the Omen Gaming Hub, which allows you to switch between performance modes, including the Unleashed setting that increases power supply and fan speeds for optimal output, the laptop also offers sophisticated tuning and overclocking. Benchmarks present a positive image. The Omen Max 16 is more than capable of handling the newest, most graphically demanding games, as evidenced by the impressive single and multi-core performance shown by Geekbench Cinebench in 3D Mark Time Spy Extreme, which provides a powerful score of over 10,000. Gaming in the real world further validates this machine's strength. Even after hours of non-stop gameplay, the Omen Max 16 maintains steady frame rates between 40 and 60 FPS, with sporadic spikes into the upper 60s when running a visually demanding, resource-hungry game like Expedition 33 on maximum settings with DLSS enabled. For a laptop this powerful, this type of thermal control is crucial, and HP has obviously made significant engineering investments to ensure stability and security. Another attraction is the display. For even improved contrast, users can choose an OLED version of the WQXG AIPS panel included in the tested item. With a response time of only 0.2 milliseconds and complete VRR compatibility, the refresh rate reaches 240 Hz. The battery life of a performance laptop is approximately what you would anticipate. You can play demanding games for around 1.5 hours in Unleashed mode. In conclusion, the HP Omen Max 16 is a marvel of contemporary gaming laptop design. In order to create a system that is suitable for both intense creative work and professional-level gaming, it combines raw power, superb display quality, comprehensive cooling, and a great deal of flexibility. It's hardly light or quiet, but the performance is unabashedly excellent. The Omen Max 16 is an appealing, future-ready option if you're searching for a desktop replacement that has the capacity to manage the upcoming years of formidable gaming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.